Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Chrome Music Lab and picking the SongMaker or Rhythm interface. This gets you directly into making sound without heavy setup. Once the page loads, make sure your audio output is selected and working so you hear feedback while you experiment. Then create a new project and clear any presets. This gives you a blank canvas. As you proceed, keep the tempo and scale controls visible so you can quickly test ideas and stay in control of musical parameters. You'll now construct the middle of your piece by establishing a 4-bar loop that serves as the foundation. This makes iteration fast and musical decisions repeatable. Once your loop exists, choose a scale and key so added melodies won't clash. This simplifies harmony while you experiment. Next, add a percussion or rhythm layer to define groove and place notes on strong beats. Then vary velocity and timing slightly to avoid robotic feel and to build musical interest. You'll finish by polishing dynamics and exporting. Balance instrument volumes, trim extremes, and then export as MIDI or WAV so your work is preserved. Naming files clearly helps later retrieval. Once exported, test playback in a media player, and, if needed, reopen SongMaker to tweak arrangement or velocity for clarity. If you encounter silence or no sound, first check browser autoplay settings and audio permissions. Then refresh the page and verify your device output. This fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.